Suppose we have an equation like this. Let me give you a little time to write this equation. Now compare with how I'm going to write the equation. So here we have 3x plus 4. You see that we don't have we have x on both sides. That's what we have here. But that's not what we really want. What we want is the value of just x, so that at the end of it we have something like this: x equals to the value. So what do we do now that we have x on both sides? So let's firstly write the equation. So what I have here, I have 3x plus 4 equals 3x plus 4 equals minus 8, but then it's not just the minus 8, we also have x. So what we have here is actually x, and then we have the minus 8. So compare it with what you wrote and see if you wrote the same thing. So here we see that we have x on both sides. We just want x on one side in order to get the value. So what do? Do we just remove this x here? But let's remember that whatever we do to this side, we must also do to this side of the equation. So let's go ahead and do that. So if we remove this x here, we should also remove an x here on this side of the equation. So let's write that down. So I removed an x, so minus x. I also did the same thing here. Minus x. So when I removed this x, I removed the minus x. Also remove this minus x. So what do we have left? We see right away that we have 2x plus 4 equals minus 8. So let's write that down. 2x plus 4 equals minus 8. So now we can go ahead and solve the equation, this problem, this kind of equation as we did before. So So this is how we go about it when we have variables on both sides of the equation.